gosh, Cruz, you got it on the first time that time. Give me a 5 for that one, dude. Yeah. Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on. Let Marco try to get this. Come on, Marco, right here. Right here, Marco, right here. One more. And then I gotta go get Cozy. Go. Yeah!
Coconut. Spoiled milk or coconut?
It doesn't look like it's very good. It's good?
You always get the good ones.
All right.
You always get the good ones. Okay,
Yeah,
my
Papa's
turn.
turn.
My turn. All right, what do I got?
Which one is this one?
Peach or barf?
Peach
No, I
or
think-
barf?
Peach or barf? Ready?
Let's see.
Can I do it?
Definitely peach by now. Does it taste like barf? Does it taste like barf? Alright, Chris, your turn.
Your turn.
I don't know if I want to play this game.
Come on. I always get the bad ones. How come? Are you eating all the good ones? You are, I think. Here.
Go.
You don't eat those?
Is that bad? That was a bad one? Oh, that was the bad one. Ew, that was spilled milk. No, that was, he tried to. Goose, why did you give it a thumbs up? It was the nasty one.
Oh, what did you get? That one's clear. Dirty dishwater.
Or a birthday cake.
Or a birthday cake.
Here, I'll do that one. Ready?
There. Mama's gonna try it. Let her try it. Let her try it. I've had dishwasher. It's not pretty good.
That's definitely dishwasher.
Dishwasher. Yeah, dirty dishwater. Ugh.
Ah! Oh.
Okay, which one's next? You get stink bug? No. No?
Oh, that's nasty.
Isn't it? Okay. Oh, no more blue. We don't have any more blue. Oh, there we go. Spoiled milk or coconut?
Oh, you got to do another one. You better hope this one is coconut. Are you going to do it?
You want me to do it? Okay, ready?
Look,
1,
2, 3, go!
Coconut.
coconut.
Okay, guys, what we got here?
A slime bath! Slime bath! Slime bath! Slime bath!
Ready for some slime bath, Marco? Let's go. Okay, get it. See if it's too hot. Put your feet in. See if it's okay. It's okay?
Can I jump in? Can I jump in? Can I jump in?
Slowly. Okay, get in, hurry. Get in. Hurry, get in.
That's so gross.
Whoa. Did it turn to slime yet? Wish it around. Sit down, go sit.
Oh, it's so gross.
Oh, I feel it getting slimy. Oh, I feel it getting slimy. Oh my gosh. Do you feel it getting slimy?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so gross, Marco. Do you feel it? Ah, slime bath. Are you okay? I'm not gonna lie. That's kind of gross. What does it feel like?
Feels like
Oh no, Marco.
this is so gross. No. This is so slippery. It's making me slippery.
Does it feel like slime? That was a slime slide. That was a slime slide. Let me see. Time to review the slime bath. How was it? Awesome. Marco, did you like the slime bath? It was a good time?
It was not a good time.
It was very slimy though, right?
But I don't like
Was it very slimy, Marco? Yeah. What did you not like about it, Cruz?
I don't like it because I wanted to like stick all the way up.
You wanted it to stick all the way up? Like really, really thick slime? Yeah? Well, maybe next time we'll do less water. Okay. All right. That was a good job, though. So far, it was pretty good, right? What about you, Marco? All right.
And look, you want to see something?
Let me see. Whoa!